I'm going to walk you through the exact setup process for setting up a rewards program, a loyalty program using an app called Smile. So, we're going to go from start to finish to really walk you through and give you a bit of an understanding of what you're getting yourself into and how to set up the initial steps inside of your loyalty program with Smile. So, the first thing you're going to do is go over to the Shopify App Store and go ahead and type in smile.io, install it, and then it will bring you to this stage of the process that we're going to start out in this video right here. I'm going to do it live with you guys at the moment. So once you get in here, you want to go ahead and click Get Started. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and basically start setting up some initial steps within the reward system on how your customers are going to receive rewards and basically obtain the rewards they're getting, and also set the parameters around what rewards they get based on certain actions, okay? So we've got here rewards every order with points. So every time a customer makes a purchase, they'll be rewarded with points that can be used as a discount for the next order. So you can select 3, 5, or 10%. I'm gonna go ahead and just select the 5 and click Next. Easy access to your loyalty program. Gonna walk you through a little bit of the basics. So on this page, we're going to name our program. What are we going to call the program? Now, there's a PDF that I'm going to link down below that will walk you through on how to brand your rewards program, and it will give you a bit more detail and information that you can read through that you can find a link to down below in the description. But we're going to kind of address a couple of things here with the naming, because over the last several years, I have learned that brand is really, really important. I've built a brand to over $10 million in sales. And one of the things that's made us stand out is our branding. And you really want to focus in on this and not just make this an afterthought and just make something basic. You really want to think about the niche and the industry that you're in and the type of customers that would resonate with a program that is named a certain way that is exciting and maybe gamified a little bit for your specific audience. So basically what we can do is we can name this anything that we want. So if you come over here and you read through this, it's going to give you some examples, right? So for example, one is the Beauty Squad, or one is Amplified Rewards. Okay, there's many different types. Now for us in our community, we have been called the GFAM. Okay, so we're going to call this GFAM Rewards. Okay, and this can be changed later as well. We're going to go ahead and get our brand color here. Once you have your brand color, then you can go ahead and also select a color for your icon and text, so you can kind of switch out. Obviously on the purple, this is way more contrasting, so we're going to use this. And then we're going to click Next. Now we're ready to launch our program. So customers will earn points on every order. Smile will be added to your store, and customers will be notified by email. They will basically get email once they earn more points, which is going to incentivize them to come back and purchase more things. So we're going to click Launch Your Program. And what we're going to do is then add this to our store theme. So we want to go into the online store and actually turn this on in the app section. This button will take you straight here, and you just want to turn this on. Now we're going to come back over here, and this is going to load in. And if we do a little refresh, oh, we forgot to save it. Let's go ahead and make sure you save that in the top right-hand corner. And there we go. We are inside our loyalty program with Smile. Okay. Let's go ahead and have a look at what this all entails. We're going to go down to program here. Now, this is where we're going to be able to set up our point system. So both the earning points and the rewarding points. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to come up here to view all ways to earn. You can see that we've already set up something for place an order, but we can go over here and say add ways to earn. And this is where you can pick where people earn points. Now, in this circumstance, one thing that is very, very powerful is if you use a tool called Gleam.io. Gleam.io is basically an app that allows you to have certain actions take place to earn entries into a giveaway. We've used this previously in our brand, but basically what it's integrated into right here is a way that you can run this across your entire store. So it allows them to earn points and rewards to then trade in for other things. And one thing that you would like to, or that I would recommend that you do, is the like on Facebook or interacting with anything to do with your social media and helping you to grow your brand awareness through your customers is a great way to incentivize people to spread your brand via word of mouth, right? Or follow you on Instagram, where they can follow more of your nurturing content that you're posting organically. So we're going to go ahead and set up something for the like on Facebook. Okay, so then go ahead and get your Facebook URL, and we just want to paste it here. and we want to go create, that's then going to reflect itself in our points that we're going to see here. You can see that once they like on Facebook, they get 50 points. All right. So very straightforward here. And you can go ahead and set up many different ways to take action as it relates to your loyalty program, follow on TikTok, on X, all that as well. And one thing that I would really recommend doing is celebrating a birthday. So when someone has a birthday, what better way can you incentivize them to come purchase something by just rewarding them a certain amount of credits? So you can upload your own icon as well for the birthday. So what I would recommend is through this whole process, you want to make sure that you're finding ways to brand your brand within your loyalty program. It's super important that everything is consistent and cohesive amongst everything else that you do marketing and brand wise. So you may have to create some little elements here and there, but it's very important you do so because there's just more congruency and people really get into the environment and the feeling that you're creating through your loyalty program. So we're just going to go ahead and click celebrate a birthday and create that. That's going to set up our points. So right now we have about 3 things that we have that are active. And what we're going to do is we're going to have a look at our redeem points, view all ways to redeem. So right now we just have an order discount set up on the rewards, but we can actually add more things here as well, like free shipping. We could add a free product or a gift card. And so there's many different ways that you can do this where think about during promotion season, right? Black Friday, Cyber Monday that's coming up. This video right here is exactly what you need to be following and setting up in prior to that and incorporating a lot of your promotions and marketing strategy behind how you integrate this into your business. So you can set up things like free shipping and we can do a certain point cost. We can set a maximum shipping amount this reward applies to. And then we can go ahead and set up some other things as well. Discount can only be used on recipient's account, for example. So there's lots of things that you can put in place to make sure that people aren't abusing the discounts and the reward points as well. But we're going to go ahead and leave that as is right now with just the order discount. Now, we've kind of talked about the earn points, the redeem points, and now we need to also look at the points branding. So the points branding is we've got to think of a name for the points that we get. Now, in the realm of gaming, right, we want to find something that is relatable to people that are in gaming. So let's say if you guys aren't a little sure or you need to figure out a little bit on what you could do, let's just go over to ChatGPT and let's say I'm putting together a loyalty program for gamers. I need a name for the points that we will be giving out to our customers. And I want to have a name that resonates and is desirable to this avatar. Can you give me 10 different ideas? All right, so let's see what we got here. We have XP, which is perfect for our avatar. We've got credits, tokens, GG points, power cores, fragments, skill shards, energy units, vault keys, X coins. Okay, so in the context of this, XP is definitely probably the best thing for us to name the points. And so what we want to do is click edit here, and we can click, or we can type XP, XP for plural. XP and XP kind of work here because experience points or experience point is pretty common knowledge in the gaming world. So we're going to just click XP and save that. And it's just as simple as that. So you can use Claude or AI in some way, even ChatGPT, to help find ideas, to help get you thinking about what your points branding is going to be. I'm going to make sure that we're going to really think through exactly what we want them to be. I think another really good one here is even the fragments or the skill shards are pretty cool too. But yeah, this is kind of how you can ideate behind branding your company with your loyalty program. And, one of the things that I would highly recommend too is if you are using AI to help you develop some of these things is give it the most information that you can about your brand and what you do and your customer so that you can tailor it specifically to your brand the best way possible. Now, after you've done that, you can see here that there's analytics. We're not going to go over that today because we want to actually put this into action and see what we can do with our loyalty program. We'll talk about that in a future video. We've got a customer section where you'll be able to collect all of your customers and it'll also pull in your existing customers from your actual Shopify store. And you'll also have on-site content where you'll be able to set up more custom things as well. And the biggest thing that we want to talk about, and I want to point out here, is you can integrate your awards program with your SMS and email. In the next video that'll be linked up here, we're going to do a full walkthrough of how to set up Smile with Klaviyo so you can automatically set up your flows and personalize your customer experiences so much better using Klaviyo. So go ahead and watch this video right here to set that up. And we're going to do a more in-depth look into setting up more advanced features in Smile. But in this video, this is going to be the basics of covering setting up earning your points, redeeming rewards, and also building your brand into your loyalty program. So hopefully this has been helpful for you. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and make sure you check out the PDF link down below about branding your loyalty program. So go ahead and sign up for Smile. You'll get 200 free orders included in your trial, and over 100,000 brands have used Smile to help them grow their business. And I want you to be the next one. So go ahead and sign up for the trial, set up these initial things, and start using this loyalty program. Thanks so much for watching this video here. Go ahead and click the next video, which will show you exactly how to connect Smile and Klaviyo together to help maximize your loyalty program and help you drive more revenue. See you in the next one.